Today I'm making a grape cluster cookie out of fondant. It's super easy. First, make a stem out of tan. You can mix in a little brown to give it a wood-like effect. Next, make the leaf. I use an ivy plunger that makes the veins on the leaf. I'll put one down now and add another later. Attach with a little water. Then make fairly large purple balls to fill up the grape bunch. Attach them to the cookie and to each other. Then add the second leaf. Paint with a little piping gel to help the grapes stick together and make them shiny. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos on how to make the wine bottle and the wine glass. Don't forget to subscribe and also check out www.melangeconfections.com.